Yes, sir.
Yes, come in please.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So, students, I am Sandeep Tripathi and I am appointed here for your LS.
Okay, sir.
So, could you please help me with your name?
So my name is Nitin Jaiswal.
And what's your?
My name is Sivan Misra.
So, Nitin and Shivaz. So, students, today's session, first round will be of introduction round where you both will give your introduction. Fine. And in second round, you both will explain your topic one by one. And first candidate will explain topic, the next candidate will ask some question, and I'll ask you. And again, we'll repeat the same thing with the second candidate as well. Okay. So as candidate A, Nitin, your code is 8A, and Shivansh, your code is 10. Fine. So Nitin, your introduction, please.
My name is Nitin Jaiswal. I study in class 12. My father name is Mr. Sanjay Jaiswal. My mother name is Mrs. Suman Jaiswal. My hobbies are reading novels and online play games. And I want to become a pilot in Indian Army Air Force.
Okay. Yes, Shivansh, please.
My name is Sivan Misra. I study in class 12. My father's name is Mr. Pawan Kumar Misra. My mother's name is Mrs. Usha Devi. And my hobby is playing cricket. And I want to become a lecturer for my.
Alright, so now let's move for next round. So in this round, you will explain your topic, whatever you have selected. Fine. So Nitin, which topic have you selected?
My topic is global warming.
Global warming. So please go through with your topic. Start.
Global warming is the gradual increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere, which can disturb the overall ecology of our Earth planet. There are evident main causes of global warming are industrialization, deforestation. They produce a lot of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons, which get collected on the upper surface of Earth, which absorb heat and harmful radiation from sun and get stuck in the atmosphere of Earth, resulting increase in temperature. We can widely see in this era many global warming effects like glaciers are melting very fast, due to which sea level is increasing, resulting flooded in low-lying areas. We can reduce global warming if all countries of world will together. We can plant more and more trees because plants absorb carbon dioxide and release back oxygen. We can reduce the amount of electricity generated by fossil fuels, and we can reduce the use of vehicles less. If today we will not consider this problem as big as boom, then maybe in future there will be no life on the earth. Thank you for listening.
So now Shivansh, ask you question from him.
Nitin, now tell me one question. What is the rank of India in producing global warming?
India ranked third position after USA and China in producing carbon dioxide.
So now Nitin, I will ask one question from you. What do you think about population? How much increasing population is responsible for global warming?
Yes, obviously, because with the increase in population, their demands were also increased, due to which our industries are increasing and they use automobiles for a short distance, and automobiles generate carbon monoxide, which harmful for Earth and atmosphere.
Alright, so now Shivansh, it's your time. So which topic have you selected?
Digital India.
Digital India. So fine. Explain your topic.
Digital India is program launched by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi in July 2015. The main purpose is Digital India to develop our country and to connect the rural areas to internet. And the motto is of Digital India is power to empower. And according to data of 2011, the Android phone is responsible for growing, rising digital India. According to 2011, about 22% of India population use Android phone. But after digitalization, when the launch our Prime Minister Digital India, then it grow up to 50%, about 50%, and it is present time about 50 to 60% India's population use Android phone. This is increased digitalization, and Indian government time to time launch many apps to improve to rising digital India. Example, Bhim app, which is for payment, used for payment, and India is India is the largest and fastest growing country in the world. Many countries compete with India to down the digitalization in our country. So India technology is less comfortable in according to European country. And then India's purchase technology and improve our digitalization very fast. Thank you for listening.
Fine. So, Nitin, what would you like to ask from him?
Now, Shwans, tell me that when in India internet was started.
In India, internet started 15 August 1995.
Yes, right.
Okay, so Shivansh, now I want to ask a question from you. So, as you are dreaming, you are planning that digital India is really very important. Fine. So, but with that, what about that crime? Lots of crimes are also increasing just because of this. So, what is your opinion over it?
Yes, due to digitalization, crime is increasing. Cyber, it is very fast increasing, and due to this, many hackers take benefit of digitalization.
Yes.
So then our future planning to make a code which in cyber is not understand this code, and then if we improve our technology, then we.
What do you think about education? Like educating people will be helpful to control this cyber crime or not?
Yes, this is educating people control cyber crime, because cyber who is doing cyber, they necessary to a code which is coming our Android phone or phone. Then he know the code. If educated people not share this code, then it is help for us.
Okay, fine. We have done with our session. Thank you. Would you mind?
Thank you, sir.